Good afternoon, distinguished guests and online participants, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yojun Ge. I'm serving as the president of IABSE. On behalf of the International Association for Bridge and Structure Engineering, I would like to welcome you all to attend IABSE Awards ceremony during IABSE Congress Ghent 2021. As you know, the aim of IABSE is to exchange knowledge and to advance the practice of structural engineering in the service of profession and society. For this purpose, IABSE confers awards for structural engineering achievements, including honorary membership, International Award of Merit, and IFC Prize for individuals, and Outstanding Paper Award and Outstanding Structure Award for groups. Due to COVID-19, unfortunately, the award presentation for 2020 and 2021 can only be held online and pre-recorded. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come with IABSE Awards 2020 first. We are going to present 5 kinds of awards, including honorary membership, International Award of Merit, IABSE Prize, Outstanding Paper Award, and Outstanding Structure Award. The honorary membership is presented to an individual member of IABSE for exceptionally great services rendered to the association. The honorary membership 2020 is given to Professor and Dr. Fernando Branco from Portugal in higher appreciation of his outstanding and dedicated service to the association. Congratulations to Fernando. Professor Fernando Branco completed his master's and PhD in universities of Lisbon, where he also served later as a full professor and the president of the Civil Engineering Department. His fields of expertise are bridge design, maintenance, and rehabilitation, and new materials. He has served as a consultant for major public works, such as the San Rogel Bridge, Vasco da Gama Bridge in Portugal, and the Macau-Taipei Bridge in China. Being simultaneously an academic and a bridge consultant, he joined IABSE in the late 1980s, primarily influenced by the high-quality journal of the association, the Structural Engineering International, and the very interesting conferences organized by the IABSE. Fernando Branco became the president of IABSE from 2016 to 2019. He was also the vice president from 2009 to 2016, member of administrative committee from 2005 to 2009, vice chair of technical committee from 2001 to 2005, chair of the Working Commission 8 from 1995 to 1999, and so on. During his role as an IABSE's president, Fernando Branco's main objective was not only to attract more young engineers to the association, but also to give more focus on national groups and invite world specialists to lead the creation of new task groups.
Hello, my friends. My name is Fernando Branco. I joined IABSE in the 80s of last century, and I was the past president. During my mandate, I pushed a lot of members to organize conference, to participate in working groups, and to do a lot of work within IABSE. And what was the result at the end? IABSE gave me the honorary membership. Thank you very much, and I hope to see all of you next year in Nanking.
The honorary membership 2020 is also presented to Professor and Dr. Akasit Limtuan from Thailand. Congratulations to Professor Limtuan. Professor Akasit Limtuan acquired his Bachelor of Engineering from Chulalongkorn University, his master's degree from the University of Houston, and his PhD from the University of Texas, both in the United States. He was a professor in the Chulalongkorn University from 1918 to 2010 for the subjects dealing with higher strength and higher performance concrete and post-tension flat slab and prefabrication construction. He has made tremendous contributions to the development of structural engineering practice and construction technology in Thailand, and has thus contributed to IABSE with his knowledge, time, several responsibilities, and his expertise. Professor Lim Tu Van has served as the chair of Thai group of IABSE since 1982. Until 2018, he was the vice president of IABSE from 1998 to 2004, during which he helped organize two major IABSE events, the 1999 IABSE Colloquium in Phuket and the 2009 IABSE Symposium in Bangkok. The International Award of Merit in Structural Engineering is conferred for outstanding contributions in the field of structural engineering with special reference to their usefulness to society. The International Award of Merit 2020 is presented to Professor and Dr. Asankri from the United States. In recognition of his fundamental contributions to quantification, modeling, and analysis of wind load effects in structure design through research, teaching, service, and practice. Congratulations to Asan. Professor Asan Krim is Robert Moran Professor of Engineering and Director of Natural Hazards Modeling Lab at the University of Notre Dame in the United States. He did his PhD, MSc, and BSc from Colorado State University, University of Hawaii, and MIT, and Pakistan University of Engineering and Technology, respectively. His field of expertise is in structural dynamics, wind, waves, earthquakes, load effects, etc. He has been an active member of IABSE since 2010 through the participating IABSE congresses, published technical papers in SEI Journal, and giving a dinner talk at the IABSE Student Conference, Bochum, Germany in 2016. He is a member of U.S. National Academy of Engineering and foreign members of Chinese Academy of Engineering and Indian National Academy of Engineering. Professor Karim has received many international awards and honors, which include Howard Medal as a distinguished member of ASCE, Sinotuka Medal, Fonkama Medal, Coronas Medal, Davenport Medal, Scalar Medal, Cermak Medal, Alfred Nobel Prize, and etc. The IABSE Prize was established in 1982 to honor a member earlier in his or her career for an outstanding achievement in the field of structural engineering in research, design, or construction. The prize includes 2,500 Swiss francs and a registration to the IABSE conference where the award presentation is held. The 2020 IABSE Prize is presented to Dr. Carlos Estrojo from Spain. Congratulations to Carlos. Dr. Carlos Estrojo has an outstanding academic and professional career. He did his PhD in Polytechnical University of Catalonia and completed MSc in Computational Mechanics from the UPC and Swansea University. He also has an executive MBA from IABSE. He has worked with a holistic view in the fields of research, design, and construction in all his projects. Inflatable structures in engineering have a multidisciplinary component, which probably many may not be aware of. The numerical analysis and design is quite complex, while the manufacturing phase has several physical limitations and comparatively short delivery times, which is a challenge. Dr. Esterhol has gained expertise in innovative structures, which mainly focus on large-scale inflatable hangars, which up to 100-meter width for airplane maintenance, as well as in lightweight, faster, deployable, inflatable bridges with up to 30-meter span for vehicles up to 30 tons, functionally during emergency. He has participated in more than 20 projects during the engineering phase, manufacturing, and management. The Outstanding Paper Award is remitted each year to the authors of a paper published in the preceding year's issues of IABSE Journal Structural Engineering International, encouraging and rewarding contributions of the highest quality. Starting from 2011, Outstanding Paper Award is presented in two categories: scientific paper and technical report. The Outstanding Paper Award for Scientific Paper category 2020 is presented to Once Upon a Time in Italy, The Tale of Morandi Bridge, which was published in SEI Volume 29, May 2019. On 14 August 2018, a relevant portion of the viaduct over the Posevilla River in Geneva collapsed, killing 43 people. The bridge was designed in the earlier 1980s by Riccardo Morandi, a very well-known Italian engineer, and opened to the public in 1967. This paper aims to reminisce the complete story of the bridge, from the Italian construction boom in 1960s to some of the issues that soon arose thereafter, the strengthening intervention in the 1990s, the subsequent structural monitoring, and finally, the strengthening project never brought to fruition. Potential reasons for the collapse are discussed and compared. Congratulations to all 8 authors, 7 from Italy, including Jean Calvi, Mota Moretti, Greta O'Reilly, Nicola Scatterigia, Ricardo Montreal, Daniel Moromo, and River Pinho, and 1 from United States, Paulo Calvi. The Outstanding Paper Award for Technical Report category 2020 is presented to River Iwell Crossing, UK's first network arch bridge, which was published in SEI Volume 29, May 2019. The first network arch bridge in the UK was opened to traffic in December 2017 and supports a new railway line that connects Piccadilly and Victoria stations in the heart of Manchester. Set alongside heritage structures of great significance, aesthetics is paramount and has led to an symmetric ribbon form that visually connects different types of structures. The highly constrained site necessitated an unconventional piecemeal erection sequence over the river on asymmetric temporary towers. Congratulations to 4 authors, Rossi Rosivia, Roughly Foster, Team Abbott, and Athanasiou Bistalos. The Outstanding Structure Award is one of the highest distinctions awarded by IABSE and recognizes in different regions of the world some of the most remarkable, innovative, creative, or otherwise stimulating structures, but not necessarily the largest, longest, highest, or otherwise record-breaking structures. Sustainability and respect of the environment is also an important fact. The winner of 2020 Outstanding Structure Award is Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge in China. Congratulations to the owner, structure designer, and contractor. The Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge in China is world's longest sea crossing link and consists of reclamations, artificial islands, immersed tube tunnel, marine viaducts, and cable-stayed bridges. It can be seen from land, sea, and air, and its design has been driven by aesthetics, environmental, engineering, and durability aspects. The finalists of 2020 Outstanding Structure Award is presented to 3 bridges in Norway, Canada, and Korea. Hålogaland Bridge in Norway is a 1,145-meter long-span suspension bridge with A-shaped towers and unique special cable systems. Samuel de Champlain Bridge in Canada is an 8.4 kilometers long highway bridge incorporating an iconic asymmetrical cable-stayed bridge. Chosin-sa Bridge in Korea is connecting Islands Bridge with 1,004-meter long 2-pylon cable-stayed bridge and a 1,750-meter long 3-pylon suspension bridge. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come with IABSE Awards 2021. We are going to present 4 kinds of awards 2021, include International Award of Merit, IFC Prize, Outstanding Paper Award, and Outstanding Structure Award. The International Award of Merit in Structural Engineering 2021 is presented to Mr. Jörg Konzert from Switzerland for his profession as a structural engineer, cross-disciplinary as the art of engineering and as a master builder with sensible consideration of the respect for the neighboring construction disciplines. Congratulations to Mr. Konzert. Jörg Konzert's major bridge projects include many wooden, stone, and concrete pedestrian and bicycle bridges in girders, cable-stayed, and suspended. His building projects include various school buildings, Klein Cooper Schwartz in Expo 2000 Hanover, new football stadium in Zurich, Federal Administrative Court in St. Gallen, renovation and extension Congress Center and Music Hall in Zurich, extension pedagogical high school in Kreuzlingen, and so on. Mr. Jörg Konzert has received many international awards and honors, including 2019 Recognition Prize Canton of Grisons, 2018 Fritz Levenhardt Prize, 2018 Honorary Doctor Architecture, 2013 for Walt Pass Films, 2011 Recognition Prize City of Cole, 2007 Recognition Prize Canton of Grisons, etc.
Hello, my name is Jörg Konzert, structural engineer working in Chur in Switzerland. I thank you for giving me the IABSE award. I'm sitting here together with my wife Lydia and my partner Gianfranco Bronzini, with whom I work more than 20 years now. They are very important. I want to share this award with these two persons. In front of us you see a model which is under construction still for the Punt Bridge in Bondo, which will be a very slender frame bridge. For us it's very important to work with physical models.
The 2021 IABSE Prize is presented to Dr. Xia from China in recognition of his contribution to bridge health monitoring through research and practical work, in particular in moving forward the interdisciplinary collaboration and cross-disciplinary development. Congratulations to Ye. Dr. Xia is currently an associate professor at the Department of Bridge Engineering, Tongji University. He received his Bachelor of Engineering and Master of Science in Bridge Engineering from Tongji University, and got his PhD in Structural Engineering from University of California, Irvine. He has been involved in interdisciplinary research within the wide scope of structural health monitoring. By introducing new technologies such as image recognition and big data analysis, he has achieved innovative solutions with significant impact in economy, stability, and robustness. Dr. Xia's academic record is reviewed as well above the average of his peers. He has authored 2 books and published more than 70 academic papers, more than 13 endorsed patents and software copyrights to his credit. He is also serving as the Secretary General of Chinese group of IABSE. The 2021 Outstanding Paper Award is presented to 1 scientific paper and 1 technical report. The Outstanding Paper Award for Scientific Paper Category 2021 is presented to Echo River Seismic Isolation Foundation Systems, a sustainable solution for the New Zealand context, which was published in SEI Volume 13.3, May 2020. The 2010 and 2011 Christchurch earthquakes proved that a shift is necessary in current design practice of structures to achieve better seismic performance. Moreover, environmental concerns have prompted civil engineers to identify variable ways to reuse waste tires through engineering projects. In this context, a multidisciplinary geostructure engineering environmental project funded by the Ministry of Business Innovation and Employment is being carried out at the University of Canterbury in New Zealand. The project aims to develop a foundation system characterized by granulated tire rubber mixed with gravelly soils and a basement raft made of steel fiber reinforced rubberized concrete. Congratulations to all 5 authors from New Zealand, including Ensto Hanezad, Alessandro Palermo, Gabriel Canario, Gabriel Charario, and Lolia Benesica.
Kia ora everyone, greetings from the University of Canterbury here in Christchurch, New Zealand. My name is Ernesto Hernandez and I'm a PhD candidate here in the Department of Civil and Natural Resources Engineering. I'm here with my co-author and main supervisor, Alessandro Palermo.
Kia ora everyone, and thank you again for this incredible award. We are really humbled and honored, and this is quite prestigious for us, and we know that. We also know that Professor Tompoli actually was awarded for one of his papers, I think, back in 2007. We want to acknowledge the other co-authors, Associate Professor Gabriele Chiaro, Dr. Gabriele Granello, and Dr. Laura Wasner. It's been a collaborative project. It's been funded by the government, New Zealand government, where we are working together to find a sustainable and resilient solution, which is probably going to have a big impact in New Zealand and hopefully even overseas. Thank you very much.
The Outstanding Paper Award for Technical Report category 2021 is presented to the third Paul-Spruce Bridge, a milestone in long-span cable technology development and hybrid bridges, which was published in SEI Volume 34, August 2020. The third Paul-Spruce Bridge is a higher rigidity suspension bridge located on the Bosporus Strait in Istanbul, Turkey. Designed and built between 2013 and 2016 as part of a fast-track project. Its unique features, several of them making it either a world first or a world record, required the design and qualification of stay cable technologies beyond previously established limits. It features a 1,408-meter central span and supports a railway and a motorway with a 58.5-meter wide deck between stiffening stay cable anchors. The design of the stiffening stay cables for this bridge required several developments to cater for the exceptional needs of the longest and heaviest stay cable in the world. Congratulations to all three authors, Matthew Gelston, Yuli Erdogan, and Ivak Sivanovich. The 2021 Outstanding Structure Award is set for two categories: building or other structures, and bridge or other infrastructures. The winner of Outstanding Structure Award 2021 for building or other structure is Beijing Daxing International Airport Terminal, China, for beautiful and unique combination of architecture and structure engineering that seamlessly integrates seismic and vibration control into the design. Congratulations to the owner, structure designer, and contractor and architect.
On September 25, 2019, Chinese President Xi Jinping solemnly announced,
北京大兴国际机场正式投运。
At the southern end of Beijing's central axis, this magnificent century project, like a phoenix spreading its wings, was stunningly unveiled. It is not only a large integrated transportation hub with the highest level of integration and the most advanced technology in the world, but also a convenient, comfortable and efficient smart airport and cultural airport. This mega project has attracted worldwide attention since the beginning of its construction. It is majestic and magnificent. 8 beautiful C-shaped pillars support a huge irregular free-form surface space, with the projection area close to 44 football fields, which is currently the largest spatial grid structure in the world. The world's first airport with numerous rail transits, seamlessly connected to the terminal building and with high-speed rail, city rail, subway, and other stations located under the terminal building, Daxing Airport realized true zero-distance transfer. Taking advantage of the central radiation, multi-digit corridor configuration, the walking distance from the terminal center to the terminal gate is no more than 600 meters, and the walking time is less than 8 minutes, leading the world among airports of the same size. Innovatively designed 1152 seismic isolation supports separate the entire above-ground structure of the terminal building by the seismic isolation layer and the underground structure, with the seismic isolation layer covering an area of 180,000 square meters, making it the world's largest single seismic isolation building.
Beijing Daxing International Airport Terminal has been named as the top of the new 7 wonders by Guardian. The 8 C-shaped columns in the central area of the terminal are organically combined with the roof structures to achieve amazing architectural effect. The new base interlayer isolation technology is proposed to build the world's largest seismic isolation building, which also becomes a new benchmark of isolated structure. This terminal is the first completed project in the world that integrated high-speed rail transit and terminal, and the vibration caused by high-speed train is also controlled to an acceptable level. The terminal is 996 meters long from north to south and 1,144 meters wide from east to west. The floor of this terminal is around 800,000 square meters with a direct roof projection area of 315,000 square meters. It is the world's largest airport terminal. The winner of Outstanding Structure Award 2021 for bridge or other infrastructure is Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy Bridge over the River Barrow, Ireland, for a landmark structure with 3 towers and iconic profile that has pushed the boundaries for the span of a concrete extrude bridge. Congratulations to the owner, structure designer, and the contractor.
I'm delighted to have the honour of accepting this award for the Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy Bridge on behalf of Transport Infrastructure Ireland for 2 reasons. Firstly, because the 2021 Outstanding Structure Award from the International Association of Bridge and Structural Engineering is a highly prestigious award, and secondly, because I'm from the town of New Ross, and it's this bridge, by diverting the traffic, that has allowed the town to breathe again. I wanted to thank the association for this recognition of engineering excellence and making the bridge a member of a very elite group of iconic structures that have won the award previously, like the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao and the Hong Kong-Macau Bridge. I would also like to thank and congratulate the teams that have collaborated with us in the successful delivery of this very challenging project. Our development partners have included Wexford and Kilkenny County Councils, Tramore House Road Design Office, and the PPP company consisting of BAM PPP, Iridium and PGGM. In particular, I would like to congratulate TII's technical advisors Mott MacDonald Ireland, the designers Arup and Carlos Fernandez Casado, as well as the contractors BAM Civil and Regatas Ireland. We are very proud of the Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy Bridge, which serves as a critical part of Ireland's national infrastructure. It's an iconic structure with an exceptionally ambitious design that pushes the boundaries of construction for a concrete Stratus bridge. This prestigious international award showcases the bridge to a global audience, and everyone who contributed to the development of this magnificent structure can feel justifiably proud of their achievement. Thank you.
The Rose Fitzgerald Kennedy Bridge is one of the most iconic structures in Ireland. This 3-tower extrude bridge has 2 main spans of 230 meters each, the longest post-tension all-concrete extrude spans in the world. This modern 21st century landmark has been designed to be sympathetic and complementary to its surrounding and environment, enhancing the quality of life in New Roads Town, which was previously subjected to frequent traffic congestion. That is all for IABSE Awards presentation 2020 and 2021. Congratulations to all awardees. I hope you enjoy with them. Thank you very much, and see you next time in IABSE Awards ceremony during IABSE Congress Nanjing 2022. Thank you very much.